Good afternoon. My name is Uriel Leitor Mogollon. I have 35 years old. I live in Villavicencio City. I I am a medium height, um, age black, height. Um, I am responsible. I am respectful. I like to study. I like to exercise. And I am married. Um, I the comparison between two kitchens, the modern kitchens and the old kitchens. The modern kitchen is as big as the old kitchen, and the old kitchen is a beautiful modern kitchen. The modern kitchen is practical than old kitchen, and the old kitchen is better than the modern kitchen, and the modern kitchen is much less interesting than the old kitchen. Uh, the old kitchen is much cozy than the modern kitchen. Thank you.